Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we shall be making Ankara design on cake. To make your Ankara, first you have to go to the internet to check for the design that you wish to do. This is the design that I wish to create today, okay? There are different kinds of Ankara, so you need to know what you want to do, and also you create a stencil just like I have done. I have used paper to create it. So I'm going to be using red food color, yellow food color, and black food color, okay? And we'll also be needing some paint brushes, and I'm going to be using vodka to paint on my cake. So now I'm going to be using the stencil that I have made, because this is what this is the kind of design that is found on the Ankara that I am making. So I am going to be drawing this stencil and on my cake just the way it looks on the phone when I showed you. So my cake has been covered in fondant. To do this, you have to cover your cake ahead of time because it has to be completely dry before you start tracing your design on your cake. If you cover your cake immediately and you start doing it, it might not it might be sticky. So the best practice is cover your cake and allow it to dry. I have a video on how to make fondant on my channel. You can go look for it after you are done watching this. If this is your first time of coming to my channel and you haven't subscribed, I'll be so elated if you just look below and click on the subscribe button. And while you are at it, don't forget to press the notification bell too, so that you will know when we make amazing videos like this. We are all about cake decoration, fondant decoration, and wafer paper art. I hope you subscribe and you keep watching. Thank you so much. Also, if you like what you are seeing, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and you can share the video with your friends. There's love in sharing. I actually used this cake for a live presentation where I taught how to make hibiscus flower and that flamingo you are seeing by the side. So it's actually a dummy anyway. So I think I'm going to be making a video on how to make this flamingo soon, probably in the next video. So I just filling up the empty spaces and trying to make sure that it looks like my wrapper. Okay, we are going to start painting shortly. So we are almost done with that. So now I want to mix my colors. This is just some vodka. I'm going to be using 3 colors like I said, red, yellow, and black. So I'm just mixing my 3 colors now, and then we are going to start shortly. So you can actually do this on any kind of color that you wish, as in it doesn't have to be my color. It could be in white, it could be whatever color you wish to color your cake, and whatever color you choose to use to paint on your cake. Okay, just make sure that the cake you wish to use to paint has to be lighter than the colors you want to paint in so that it can show properly. So I'm starting my painting now. Okay, so we are done filling in the paintings. Now I'm going to be using black to trace on what we have already painted. Wow, we are already done. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. For any kind of wrapper or Ankara you wish to make, this is the same technique you are going to be using. So I'm just going to be putting my beautiful hibiscus wafer paper flower. I have online classes available on how to make your wafer paper hibiscus flower. If you're interested, you can send me a message on my WhatsApp. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Love you all.